topographic and drone survey method for sewage pipeline installation. Before starting the survey work, the team conducts a complete safety procedure, including PPE inspection, traffic control setup, and toolbox meetings to ensure all activities are carried out safely and efficiently. The survey team analyzes the topographic data and pipeline alignment to identify the existing ground conditions and determine the most accurate route for construction activities. All project stakeholders verify and agree on the benchmark reference point to ensure every measurement and construction process uses the same elevation control system. Survey instruments, drone systems, and field personnel are carefully prepared to support accurate measurement activities and ensure smooth project execution on site. The surveyors perform topographic measurements, including stakeout, cross-section, and ground elevation data collection using total station equipment along the pipeline route. Measured points are marked and staked on the ground to define the exact pipeline alignment and guide the upcoming excavation and installation works. Drone mapping activities are conducted to capture aerial visuals and analyze the surrounding conditions of the pipeline corridor with greater accuracy and efficiency. All collected survey data is processed and analyzed using engineering software to produce accurate topographic information for construction planning and execution.